Check out our latest news updates. Continued poor decisions led the suspect to face a painful outcome. After a tense escape, what plans do these suspects have after abandoning the vehicle? Here's the news about a thrilling pursuit in Los Angeles involving a suspect who stole a car and fled across multiple counties. It all started in Chatsworth when LAPD identified a Dodge Caravan linked to an earlier accident in Burbank. The suspect drove at nearly 100 miles per hour on Highway 118 to evade police. During the pursuit, the suspect dangerously maneuvered through traffic, swerving and running red lights, endangering other drivers. While LAPD's helicopter continued to track the vehicle from above, ground units faced difficulties due to heavy traffic. At one point, the suspect exited the vehicle and ran to a gas station to carjack another vehicle. Unfortunately, police did not immediately realize this, and the suspect managed to escape. The suspect continued their dangerous evasion by speeding and maneuvering past other vehicles. The suspect made multiple stops at gas stations, seemingly intending to steal cars to evade LAPD. including a white truck this time. It appears the suspect has a preference for white vehicles based on those stolen. Carjacking and fleeing from police are serious crimes in Los Angeles and could result in severe penalties. The pursuit intensified when California Highway Patrol (CHP) joined in, attempting a pit maneuver near Ventura. After a brief struggle, CHP successfully apprehended the suspect near a gas station in Clairton, Ventura. The suspect is now in custody, facing charges related to carjacking and dangerous evasion. Thanks to the quick thinking and coordination of law enforcement, community safety was ensured and the dangerous pursuit came to a timely end. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of obeying traffic laws and the serious consequences of reckless flight. Why not give these brave officers a like? Next up is a police chase involving a car theft suspect in Orange County. During rush hour, police initiated the pursuit following a stolen U-Haul truck in Orange County. The truck was driven at high speeds, ran red lights, and raced through crowded areas. This pursuit highlights the danger of careless driving and speeding in densely populated urban areas. Police had to carefully balance apprehend the offender and ensuring public safety. The stolen U-Haul initially fell under the jurisdiction of Manhattan Beach Police, later taken over by Seal Beach Police for this pursuit. During the chase, the driver continuously changed lanes, sped through congested intersections, endangering other road users. Finally, the U-Haul moved into a residential area and came to a stop. The driver and the passenger exited the vehicle, with the driver surrendering to police shortly after. However, the passenger, carrying several bags, separated and walked away alone. Police quickly located and arrested the individual without incident. The pursuit ended safely with no injuries. Law enforcement handled the situation effectively, ensuring community safety. Dangerous behaviors and serious offenses, such as car theft and reckless driving, must be severely punished. This not only serves as a deterrent to offenders, but also protects community safety. Penalties may include imprisonment, fines, and license revocation. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on news and other exciting stories. We'll keep you informed with the latest breaking news. Thank you for watching and supporting.